Welcome to the learning material of Part Identification, Traceability in FIFO, presented by Sakti Auto. Now that we understand the what and why of three important concepts in manufacturing practices, it's time to focus on the how. In this session, we'll explore simple, practical steps to bring part identification, traceability, and FIFO to life on the shop floor, turning good intentions into strong daily habits. Now, time to walk through a few case studies to make this concept come alive. Bringing part identification, traceability, and FIFO into daily practice. Part identification. Assign unique codes. Every part must have a unique identification code to enable complete traceability across production and supply chains. Using durable methods. For long-term reliability, especially in high-value or safety-critical parts, methods like barcodes, RFID tags, or laser-etched markings could be used. Traceability. A strong traceability system enables faster root cause analysis, supports regulatory compliance, and improves recall management, boosting overall operational reliability. FIFO, first in, first out. Storing by arrival or production order. Ensure materials and parts are used in the exact order they are received or produced to maintain inventory freshness. Implementing visual management. Use colored bins, dedicated FIFO lanes, clear flow markings, and signs to visually guide material flow. Regular checks help verify adherence to FIFO and identify any gaps early. In short, consistency, documentation, and discipline are the keys to successfully implementing part identification, traceability, and FIFO practices on the shop floor. Use cases. Part identification. A forging unit faced frequent assembly line confusion due to the mixing of parts with similar appearances but different specifications. This led to part mismatches during assembly, high rates of rework, disrupted workflow balance, and productivity loss. To address this challenge, the unit implemented a barcode-based part identification system, assigning a unique barcode to each part variant. Barcode scanners were introduced at critical checkpoints such as the picking stage, the pre-assembly stage, and the final inspection stage. Furthermore, it was ensured that each part was scanned and verified at every step to guarantee correct part usage. As a result, assembly errors reduced by 96% within just 2 months. Improved line balancing and workflow continuity, resulting in smoother operations. Operators reported greater confidence in validating parts before assembly, boosting overall quality and morale. Key takeaway: robust part identification and verification systems dramatically reduce errors, improve process stability, enhance operator ownership. Traceability. A batch of machined parts was rejected by the quality team due to a critical dimensional deviation that went unnoticed during production. This deviation affected multiple components and created a risk of delayed dispatch and customer dissatisfaction. To address this challenge, leveraged plant traceability records to quickly identify the specific operator, the machine used, and the shift during which the defective batch was produced. Conducted a targeted investigation, revealing that the root cause was an incorrect gauge setting. Immediate corrective training was provided to the concerned operator and shift team. Inspection protocols for that dimension were strengthened to prevent recurrence. As a result, Root cause identified and resolved within 24 hours, minimizing production and dispatch disruption. No further dimensional deviations were found in subsequent batches. Operator accountability strengthened, and confidence in traceability systems significantly improved. Key takeaway: effective traceability transforms problem solving, turning potential crises into quick, controlled recoveries. FIFO, first in, first out. A recurring issue of paint mismatches in finished components was observed, traced back to the use of outdated or mismatched paint stock. This resulted in rejections during final inspection and customer complaints regarding inconsistent finishes. To address this, FIFO, first in, first out, controls is implemented with color-coded bins for different paint batches. Visual cues and FIFO lanes marked on the flow. Clear labeling of each paint batch with receipt dates. Trained operators on the importance of paint shelf life and the critical role of visual uniformity for customer satisfaction. As a result, paint-related rejections dropped by 40% within the first 2 months. Customer complaints on finish quality were eliminated. Improved paint inventory control and higher operator awareness of paint usage protocols. Key takeaway: simple FIFO discipline, supported by visual management and training, can dramatically improve quality and customer satisfaction. As you all know, Sakti Auto is an IATF 16949 certified facility, maintaining consistent product quality, ensuring traceability, and demonstrating robust process control are non-negotiable. The concepts of part identification, traceability, and FIFO directly support these objectives and help build a defect prevention culture. Together, following these practices at our company and process strengthens compliance with IATF 16949 clauses on product identification, traceability, process control, and non-conformity management. These systems are not optional, they are foundational to achieving and sustaining IATF certification and global quality competitiveness. No matter how advanced our machines or systems become, the foundation of quality lies in discipline. Practices like part identification, traceability, and FIFO are not just procedural, they are our first line of defense against errors, rework, customer complaints, and compliance failures. These must be followed, without exception, without compromise, at any cost. Because in manufacturing, consistency is not optional, it's everything. Let's commit to getting the basics right. Every part, every batch, every time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning session.